here is that the entrepreneur, the co-founder, even if they don't come from a sales background, it's very important for them to actually get into the sales, business development, reaching out to customers, networking with them, etc., right? Because unless you do that, you will not be able to take off from the ground. And the 3 C's: confidence, communication, and courage. We should not hide behind the fact that I don't have time, I'm not ready, I've never done sales, I don't know how to do all these PowerPoints or presentations, I don't have the courage, or I would prefer to hire someone, pay them money, and let them convert. It won't work that way. But remember, now that you have video platforms, you can do remote sales, you have these virtual offices, please utilize all this very smartly as co-founders, as entrepreneurs, to communicate, network, and build value with your customers. All right. There are different ways to do sales, whether you're doing it, say, sitting in Bangalore or sitting wherever you are. You still have to call, you still have to create beautiful emails, you still need to schedule meetings. So we talked about how do you schedule meetings on, with phone or from all the various other tools. You have to create this ambience, this atmosphere, and this comfort level so you can engage with them. Remember here, video plays a very important and critical role over here. Scheduling meetings, scheduling a video call, all right? Sending them a nice, beautiful email, and then very quick, very fast, precise responses, because then you can delight them. You send them the codes immediately. You give them the information that they want as quickly as possible. So this is like almost like the flywheel concept as well, where you're constantly growing, but you're constantly engaging, delighting, and attracting new customers. Lots of things that you can do, but again, I want to focus on product videos are very important, whatever you want to call it, explainer videos, product videos, getting testimonials. Please be involved in creating white papers, this podcast, this blog post that you need to do. Creating like, okay, if you invest in us, if you buy this XYZ product from us, this is the return on investment that we can give to you. This is the solutions that we can give to you. This is everything about a product. Yes, these are some inputs that I want to give. I don't want to go too much into the B2B prospecting, but yes, cold calling, you should never stop. Try to attend all these various webinars and everything that is happening, and make them feel comfortable. So some of the key words I want to talk about here is make them feel comfortable with you. All right, show them. Find out what they want. We keep talking about pain points. You must find out what they want and engage with the right people. The worst thing that you can ever do is talk to the wrong person, the wrong people who are not the decision makers, and you'll get so depressed. Okay. A little bit of a confluence that a salesperson can't just turn up. You must have a strategy in place. You must have your marketing collaterals. You must have your explainer video. You must have a very neat website. You must have a beautiful email template with you with a proper subject line, etc., etc. So I'm just giving a few pointers over here that your website, your social media, the kind of, even your proposal that you submit, it has to be very neat. It has to be very clean. It has to have your branding. It has to have your logos. Your website should be updated. Quickly, I want to talk about this, that 2 minutes, we're talking about relationship building. We're talking about knowledge-based selling. So you're not just trying to, push your solutions down someone's throat. You're actually building a relationship. You're asking them a lot of questions. You're trying to understand how we can really help you. Okay, so it's not just saying that, look, I got my product, I'm just asking you a couple of questions, I'm going to spend a lot of time on presentations and telling you how great we are, and then you expect it to close. No, it doesn't work that way. Okay, be careful. What really matters is asking questions, understanding pain points. And this is not just about India, right? It is even in the globe, all over the world. These are the very simple things. Build a relationship.